Have you ever been treated differently because of your job title, or expected to behave a certain way just because you're someone's child, friend, or employee? In sociology, these differences aren't random. They reflect two key concepts: status and role. Though often used together, they're not the same, and understanding them helps us decode the social expectations that shape our everyday lives. Let's start with status. In sociology, status refers to a recognized social position an individual occupies. This could be ascribed, like being a daughter or a citizen, or achieved, like becoming a doctor or a university graduate. These positions place us within the social structure and come with certain expectations. Then we have roles. A role is the behavior expected from someone who holds a particular status. For instance, a teacher, status, is expected to educate, guide, and evaluate students, roles. If someone fails to meet these expectations, we often feel something's off. That's because roles are what bring statuses to life in action. Ralph Linton, 1936, was one of the first sociologists to clearly distinguish between the two. He noted, a status is a position in a social system, while a role is the dynamic aspect of that position, the actual behavior. So, while status is the what, role is the how. There's also the concept of role strain, when the demands of a single role become overwhelming. Think of the student juggling multiple assignments, group projects, and part-time work. Meanwhile, role conflict happens when someone occupies multiple statuses that clash. A classic example: a mother who is also a full-time employee and struggles to meet expectations in both roles simultaneously. Contemporary sociologists like Arlie Hochschild have added depth to our understanding, particularly through her work on emotional labor. In jobs like customer service or healthcare, the role expectations include managing emotions, smiling, staying calm, which adds another layer of complexity to roles tied to status. Real-life examples are everywhere. Consider how a celebrity, achieved status, is expected to act in public. Always composed, generous, presentable. When they break those norms, media backlash often follows. That's role expectations being violated. By understanding the difference between status and role, we can better navigate our own social worlds and become more aware of the invisible scripts guiding our behavior. It's not just theory, it's life organized. If you learned something new today, make sure to like, comment your own experiences with role strain or status conflict, and subscribe for more sociology content, simplified with real-world relevance. Keep learning and keep questioning.